This gonna be easy, man. You already know what it is. Just play the beat. And that's all we do. Yo. Yeah. Daily routine. Hey, I say this the daily routine. Lately I've been thinking like you. But hold away, baby, I've been dreaming about you. I had a couple dreams, I was with you, I mean, we was in the room together, it was no disturbing. We put a sign up, then we slowed up the curtains, and then we lit some candles, and then I touch your little handles, and I kiss you to your back spine, lick you down from your feet and up, girl. You know that's how real low I get to. You say that you moan to, and I had your feet and toes curling, and you arch your back too. I mean, this the daily routine. When you with a B, hold it. When you with a G, and we gon' always keep it R. And I know we don't really need to pronounce our ABCs, but lately when I see you with me, I think that it feels so FREE. Like, can you understand? I think I need you, you need to be with me, and you can be my girl, and I could just be your man. I feel like you my #1 fan, and I can be your #1 man. I'm your Superman, baby. When I fly too, you be the one that I think about when I hop on too. You know that I feel like I can't never be without you. I mean, lately I've been thinking like, F these who's, holy F these hoes, they be coming to who, they be coming to me. I'm like, I ain't studying them hoes, you already know, it's only you, my mind on my mind. But lately I had the time, we ain't even talking down. So I think up, and then I had a smile upside down, so it was a frown, and then I had to turn around. I made it slant though, just like a chat though. You hit me on Facebook, and then you did a post, so I talked to you, you sent a message back, and then you say why we don't keep it.